Today I'm diving into a critical topic, Iran's defense review for 2024. This isn't just about military might, but the intricate web of strategies, capabilities, and regional implications that shape Iran's position on the global stage. Iran's military doctrine is fundamentally defensive. This strategy aims to deter external aggression and safeguard national security. It's shaped by asymmetric warfare tactics, designed to inflict heavy costs on any potential adversary. Think of it as a high-stakes poker game where Iran aims to outmaneuver its rivals through unconventional tactics. One key element is the concept of resistance. This extends beyond conventional forces, incorporating paramilitary organizations like the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, or IRGC. These groups enhance Iran's ability to project power both domestically and regionally. Picture a spiderweb, with Iran at the center, pulling strings across the Middle East. Geography plays a crucial role too. Iran's mountainous terrain and strategic waterways, like the Strait of Hormuz, are vital to its defense strategy. The country leverages these geographical advantages to counter potential adversaries, particularly in naval warfare. Imagine a chessboard, where Iran's pieces are strategically placed to control key maritime routes and disrupt enemy movements. Now let's talk capabilities. Iran's military arsenal includes ballistic and cruise missiles, UAVs, naval forces, and ground troops. Its ballistic missile program is a cornerstone, capable of striking targets across the Middle East and beyond. Similarly, Iran's drone program has seen significant advancements, showcasing its ability to deploy sophisticated UAVs for reconnaissance and attack missions. In naval warfare, Iran employs asymmetric tactics. The IRGC Navy uses fast attack craft, mines, and anti-ship missiles to counter larger naval forces. Think of it as a guerrilla war at sea designed to disrupt and deter. Despite international sanctions, Iran maintains and develops its military through indigenous production and procurement from willing suppliers. Missile technology, drone development, and cyber warfare are areas where Iran has made notable strides. The implications of Iran's military capabilities are far-reaching. Its ballistic missile program raises concerns among neighboring countries and international powers, viewing it as a destabilizing factor in the Middle East. Iran's support for regional proxies and involvement in conflicts in Syria, Iraq, and Yemen further complicates the security landscape. Picture a domino effect, where one action triggers a series of reactions across the region. The potential for miscalculation and escalation is a significant concern. The Gulf region has seen maritime incidents and cyber attacks, highlighting the risks of unintended consequences. Dialogue and de-escalation mechanisms are crucial to mitigate these risks. Understanding Iran's military capabilities and strategic objectives is vital for policymakers and analysts. As Iran continues to develop its military might, its role in regional and global affairs will remain a subject of intense scrutiny and debate. The stakes are high and the world is watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses. Until next time, stay informed.